Artisan chocolate. It is made in small batches. The process is carefully controlled. Ingredients are selected with care. The texture feels refined. Unique flavors are created. It reflects craftsmanship. Each piece looks detailed. It focuses on quality. This makes it special. Baking chocolate. It is designed for cooking use. It may contain little or no sugar. It melts into recipes easily. It adds structure to desserts. It is used in cakes and brownies. The flavor becomes balanced after baking. It is found in kitchens. It supports many recipes. This makes it essential. It contains cocoa and some sugar. The taste balances sweet and bitter. The texture is smooth and firm. It melts evenly when heated. It is used in baking desserts. The flavor feels rich and deep. It enhances cakes and pastries. It adds complexity to recipes. This makes it compound chocolate. It uses vegetable fats instead of cocoa butter. The texture is easier to handle. It melts without complex steps. It is used in mass production. It coats snacks and sweets. The cost is lower. It is widely available. It simplifies chocolate work. This makes it practical. Couverture chocolate. It has a high cocoa butter content. The texture feels very smooth. It melts evenly for coating. It creates a glossy finish. It is used by professionals. It works well for decoration. The shine looks refined. It enhances presentation. This makes it premium. Dark chocolate. It is made with a high amount of cocoa. The color appears deep and rich. The taste feels slightly bitter. Cocoa beans are the main source. It melts slowly with a smooth texture. Many people prefer its strong flavor. It is often used in desserts. It has a more intense chocolate feel. Drinking chocolate. It is made to mix with milk. The texture becomes thick and rich. It creates a warm drink. It has a deep chocolate taste. It is often served hot. Steam rises from the cup. It feels comforting. It connects to early chocolate drinks. This makes it traditional. Filled chocolate. It has a soft center inside. Fillings include caramel or cream. The outer shell stays firm. The inside flows when cut. It creates contrast in texture. It comes in many varieties. It is popular in gift boxes. It offers multiple flavors. This makes it enjoyable. Gianduja chocolate. It blends chocolate with hazelnuts. The texture feels smooth and creamy. The taste includes nutty flavor. It originated in Italy. It spreads easily. It is used in desserts. It pairs well with bread. It feels rich and soft. This gives it a unique taste. Raw chocolate. It is made from unroasted beans. The flavor feels earthy. The texture is slightly rough. It is processed at low heat. It keeps natural properties. It looks less refined. It appeals to natural food choices. It has a distinct semisweet chocolate. It has a slightly sweeter taste. It is often shaped as chips. It is used in cookies. The texture melts smoothly. It blends well in baking. It balances flavor nicely. It is easy to work with. It is widely available. This makes it popular. Unsweetened chocolate. It contains pure cocoa with no sugar. The taste feels very strong. The texture is firm and dense. It is mainly used in baking. It provides deep chocolate flavor. It is not usually eaten alone. It blends into recipes easily. It forms the base of many desserts.
White chocolate. It is made from cocoa butter. It has a pale, creamy color. The taste feels sweet and smooth. It does not contain cocoa solids. It melts into a silky texture. It is used in desserts and decoration. Its flavor is mild and gentle. It pairs well with fruits.